So this is my current take on the multiple words that is not being processed. So I created a game word .ts, which is this, and this handles the process of the flow wherein the front end throws me the coordinates from the memoized currentMoveTiles, then sends it to this API post method, which is this validate move. Yes. So this is the current move tiles. So after that current move tiles and we map it, we console it to the backend, which is here in this terminal. For example, we place tiles like this. So this 4 should be captured and passed on to the backend. So as we can see, we are capturing this 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So meaning it is being passed on to the backend. Then from this same routes validate move.ts, we extract it by destructuring it into a key letter tile combination and pass those to a get words from move, so which is imported here in our words.ts. So from there on, this words has a function named get words from move, which is this is only has one purpose: to generate the moves created by the coordinates. If we can see from the example that I have placed these two tiles, meaning I must check words that is created. So in this context, I placed these two tiles, meaning in manual checking, I have 3 words created. This vertical tiles that I had placed, this involved ER, and this third, the AS. Meaning I created 3 moves, possible words during this tile placement I have made. So according to our words.ts, it generated those words. So there are just current situation that we must take into consideration. First, the multi-word processor must receive a key, letter, and tile combinations, and it must process it. So key contains the coordinate, letter contains the letter represented by that coordinate, and the tile contains all of the necessary information, like if that is a wildcard information or that is a pending tile, meaning a current turn place tile. So this get words from move function is summarized into as follows. It creates a coordinate lookup and it checks for horizontal and vertical connections. It determines those by checking a 2 connected tiles. So if 2 connected tiles horizontal, if 2 connected tiles upward downward, that is vertical, then it returns a detected word in its affected position. So take note, allow existing tiles is only triggered if the tiles that you place is the pending tiles that you had placed. For example, in this context, RS is being light up, but according to our context, this RS is not to be included in the word move that you be calculated, because RS is already placed on the board a turn before you had placed this word. For example, I'm gonna remove this. This RS is already here, meaning if I place a tiles in this situation, I will not capture RS. So this is the meaning of tile pending. You will only compute the multi-word processor if it is the pending tiles that you have placed. So all of them, our multi-word processor is now working.